Welcome. Today I am going to show you how to navigate the OpenEssayMe website as you practice for major exams, like the GED, the College Application Essay, or essays that you might do in college. The website provides unlimited tutoring, untailored essay practices. It also gives you personalized feedback that are directly aligned with official exam formats like the GED. You will also have 24/7 access to our personalized AI tutor that will help you with any aspect of grammar and essay writing that you need help with. To sign up, simply go to Login. Once you're logged in, you'll see a welcome message. Click Next to proceed. On the following screen, you'll be asked to select the 2 exams you're most interested in. After making your choices, click Next. Next, you'll encounter a list of grammatical rules. Select up to 6 rules from this list. Don't worry, these selections aren't final. You can always adjust or add to them later. Once satisfied with your choices, click Next to move forward. On the subsequent screen, you'll focus on comprehension skills. Feel free to select the comprehension topics you find most interesting. If you've received a promo code, enter it on the next screen, and then select Start Learning to begin your journey. The next screen is your dashboard, where you'll find the latest updates on exams, grammar rules, and comprehension topics. At the top, you'll also see a tab that tracks your progress as you study. Below the dashboard, you'll find the Essay Practice tab. This section displays the 2 essays you selected initially. Additionally, there's an All Essays tab, allowing you to customize your selection by adding or removing essays as needed. When you're ready, select an essay you're interested in. For instance, the GED essay. Selecting it will display a description specific to the GED essay. If you'd prefer a more comprehensive overview of the exam itself, click the Exam Overview tab at the top. This will direct you to a dedicated page containing detailed information about the chosen essay. If you're short on time or prefer not to read through the entire overview, you can use the OpenEssayMe Guide feature. The OpenEssayMe Guide offers free practice questions for immediate practice or lets you ask specific questions directly. You'll notice a microphone icon, which allows you to speak your questions aloud. These questions are then sent directly to the OpenEssayMe Guide for prompt assistance. The OpenEssayMe Guide is an AI tool that is your essential resource for essay writing. It provides detailed guidance on crafting effective introductions, structuring essay bodies, and mastering the specific requirements of your chosen exam. Think of the guide as your personal tutor. It's there to answer specific questions about any essay you're working on and support you at every step of the writing process. You'll notice several convenient options available within the guide. Speaker option enables the guide to read responses aloud, making it easier to absorb information.
Writing an effective introduction for your GED extended
Show list and show more options. Provide additional preset questions tailored to your exam. Once you're comfortable and ready to test your skills, click Practice. The OpenEssayMe system will provide you with a prompt designed specifically to mirror the exam you're preparing for. Once submitted, the system takes a few moments to generate feedback. While it's processing, feel free to explore other sections, such as additional essays or grammar topics. When your feedback is ready, a green notification bar will appear at the bottom of your screen. Upon clicking the notification, you'll see Exam-Specific Score, reflecting how your response would perform on the real exam. Percentage score, providing clarity on your performance level. Detailed feedback, tailored specifically to the exam you're practicing, highlighting strengths, areas for improvement, and recommended strategies. Suggested grammar reviews, personalized suggestions on grammar rules you should revisit based on your performance. Let's take a quick look at how grammar practice works. When you navigate to the Grammar section, you'll find the grammar topics you previously selected as favorites. Additionally, the All Grammar tab allows you to customize your grammar study. Importantly, the system also generates suggested grammar topics based on the essays you've practiced and the feedback you've received. For each grammar topic, you'll receive clear explanations. If the initial explanation isn't sufficient, Click View Alternate Explanation to access another perspective. The platform also encourages active reading by allowing you to highlight key points directly in the text. As always, the guide remains accessible during grammar practice. Clicking on it allows you to ask the guide to simplify content, clarify challenging concepts, or explore the rationale behind grammatical rules. When you initiate practice, the system generates targeted exercises based on the selected grammar rule. Once grading is complete, a notification will prompt you to review your results. If you have further questions about why a particular answer is incorrect or need clarification on what a question is specifically asking, the OpenEssayMe guide is here to assist you. Simply select the question you're uncertain about and ask the guide directly. Below the grammar section, you'll find the comprehension section, which reflects the type of reading passages commonly featured on exams, such as the GED and others. If you encounter unfamiliar words or phrases, you can easily highlight and add them directly to your personal dictionary for ongoing vocabulary building. Your dictionary will also include curated vocabulary lists relevant to the essays or exams you're currently preparing for. These lists adapt dynamically as you switch essays. When you select a word from the dictionary, you'll receive clear definitions with detailed explanations, contextual examples demonstrating how to correctly use the word, alternate explanations to deepen your understanding. The dictionary also offers unlimited interactive practice. You'll be prompted to define words in your own terms, explain their meanings, and use them effectively in sentences. Upon submission, the system will evaluate your responses, providing targeted feedback just as it does with your grammar and essay practice. Finally, there's the OpenEssayMe Tutor, an interactive companion designed to supplement your learning alongside the guide. Imagine the tutor as your personal instructor, available to provide tailored one-on-one support on specific topics. Whether it's guidance on structuring an essay introduction, clarification of a challenging grammar rule, or detailed assistance with comprehension questions, the tutor adapts to your learning needs. Engage in active discussions, as the tutor won't just give answers, but will guide you step by step toward a comprehensive understanding. To enhance your experience further, we recommend customizing your profile. You can upload a profile photo, update your name, manage your password, or enter a promo code if you missed doing so earlier. Take advantage of all the resources and tools available: your guide, your tutor, unlimited practice, interactive feedback, and more to enhance your skills and achieve academic success. In short, every aspect of this platform, from essay writing to grammar practice, is designed to provide personalized, interactive support to strengthen your skills and ensure your success.